Hi friends, for our interactive journal today, we're going to work on the number 0. So we're going to turn back to our next blank page, going past our 5 and our color by dots, and we're going to glue in our 0 poem. So our poem for 0 is, start on top and around you go. That's how you make a 0. So again, it's start on top and around you go. That's how you make a 0. All right, let's look at how to write a 0. Getting my pencil. So start at the top and around you go. That's how you make a 0. Then I'm going to practice writing the number word 0. Z-E-R-O. Now I'm going to show 0 tallies. So let's remember what that means. That means I'm not going to draw any. Then I'm going to show 0 dots. So I'm not going to draw any dots. Then I'm going to glue in 0 objects. So that means I'm not going to glue in any. Since we have some extra time, let's take the time to practice our poem again. Start on the top and around you go. That's how you make a 0. And let's write the number word 0 again. Z-E-R-O. I'm going to practice the poem one more time and making a 0. Start on top and around you go. That's how you make a 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. Okay, friends, go ahead and take the time to do your interactive journal and poem now too. I'll see you back soon.